So today I'll be switching my driver's side switch out. For some reason it doesn't want to roll down the window anymore. So I bought a new one off of Amazon. And let's see how it goes. I know that this comes off. There's a clip in the back. So let's see how that all partakes right now. Where is the little... Oh, and they gives you a little prying tool. So it says to lift up, there's little clips underneath there. You just gotta pop them up. Gently. It's kind of hard to do this with the camera on, so 1 second. So I got this part up right here, as you can tell. So it's a little clip. So we're just gonna keep trying to pry our way up and see not to break this. A little finessing, I guess you could say. And it's freaking cold in my garage right now. Okay, so it's popping up. Okay. Let's see. It's just a little pry. A little finessing over here. There we go. So we'll go ahead and pop it out. They said that there's a little clip. That clip right there, you're going to push up, it says, and pry out. Okay, give me a second, because it's going to take a minute. So this pries up, and it disconnects from here. So, I don't know if you could see. Right here has these little clips. What? Sorry for the background noise. I don't know, my neighbors are being sketchy. So the each clip part right here, I gotta take out. What is going on over there? What the fuck? She came out crying. I ain't trying to be nosy, but... To be continued. Okay, I ain't trying to be nosy, but something's going on over there. Like, she's screaming. I don't know. I'm trying to get this thing off. Can you hear it? Oh, it's their doggy.
Your baby.
Something's wrong with their doggy.
Whose dog?
Right there. Do you guys need help? Do you need help getting them in there?
Doggy.
Just take him. Just take him. I know. Yeah, okay. I'm overweight. Take me to the hospital.
Huh?
They're taking me to the hospital.
Oh, I think she'd take you to the hospital.
No.
Don't scare me. Okay. You need the other one?
No, this is my rescue one.
I came out here because it's gonna charge you 395 fee.
How much?
$3.95.
Who cares?
I know, but it just fucking scared me.
I think I got all flown.
Oh my god.
I know. Hold on. Let me get these ones.
What?
What?
Convenience fee $50.52.
Fuck it.
What the fuck?
Oh my god, I was recording. Okay, so apparently they weren't fighting their dog. He's a huge black, I mean, he's a huge dog, like a good 100-pound dog. I don't know what happened. He wasn't breathing, so I asked if they needed help and I ran over to them. But yeah, they're taking him to the hospital. So I finally got this out of this. There's these little mini clips that you have to make sure that get out. Look how dirty that shit is. Ew. Okay, let me go get the new one. Let me just set you guys down right here. Let me just angle the camera down a lot better. Right there. Sorry, my nose is running because of my allergies. Okay, so we're gonna put the new one in here. Okay, so it goes like, oh shit. And it's good to have these tools laying around. I got them at Home Depot. So I believe it goes into like here, clips in, feels good. This one was broken, like it didn't want to, see, it's broken right here. It didn't want to do this anymore. So let's plug her in. All we got to do is plug this into the back of here and just clip everything down and it should be pretty much okay.